Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be doing a deep cleaning slash spring cleaning, because with all these viruses and germs going around, if you know me, I'm a germaphobe and I just want to make sure we have a pretty clean house. So I picked up a couple of new cleaning products that I will be sharing with you guys today. Some of them claim to kill the coronavirus that's been, you know, going rampant on the news. So it can't hurt to have a nice and clean home. Plus it is springtime, so it's time for a good spring cleaning. And I'll show you guys that haul, show you what I purchased, and then we'll get right to it. So Target was having a sale where you would buy $50 of household items or cleaning products and you would get a $15 gift card back. So I took advantage of that and got a few products. So I picked up another one of the glass and surface cleaners from Method, because the other one, if you saw my previous video, I was running out of it. I also got one of these Method anti-bac cleaners. I got a Lysol multi-surface cleaner because I'm planning on using this for the floors, because you guys know that I do love my steam mop, but I can only use water with it to disinfect. But I thought I'd just go ahead and give my floors a more deeper of a clean, if you will, and use this with this new mop that I bought. So this is the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System. So I will try this out. Hopefully it works. It had pretty good reviews, so I'm having high expectations for it, but we'll see how it performs. And then I also got this Lysol laundry sanitizer so that I can also, you know, sanitize the loads of laundry. We also have some of these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners, and these have the hydrogen peroxide because word says that supposedly hydrogen peroxide is supposed to help with the coronavirus or whatever. So I don't know, we're just gonna try these out. And then I have this disinfectant spray, also from Lysol. This is not sponsored, but it probably should be at this point because most of these products are from Lysol. And then we also have this Lysol mold and mildew blaster. So yeah, we'll be trying all of these products out. Hopefully this helps us get a very deep clean of everything and just kill all of the germs, because usually I like to stick with the more cleaning or non-toxic products like these Method and Mrs. Meyer's and Caldrea and whatever. But just for this occasion, since we're doing a deep spring cleaning, I thought I'd just go ahead and bring out the big guns and use these. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning. So first I'm going to just start off by throwing all of this in the washer using that laundry sanitizer, throwing that probably in the washer as well, and vacuuming the headboard. It shouldn't be too bad because I just did that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it another little vacuum there, and then get up there, take these curtains off, throw them in the wash, clean the top of the window, what do you call it, the border, whatever it's called. I'm gonna clean that, also the curtain rods, and probably get down on the baseboards because I'm sure they're probably dusty. I haven't done that in a while. And then just freshen up, you know, the counter space here, clean it off a little, and then finally make our way down to the floors to vacuum and then mop.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like I don't really It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Now I am moving on to disinfecting all around the windows, the window blinds, the curtain rod, and all of that good stuff. Here I'm showing you guys just how dusty my baseboards were, and you're going to be seeing some very satisfying clips of me actually vacuuming up all of that dust and just cleaning it off. So disgusting, but it was very much needed. I'm glad I was able to get all of that cleaned up. Off the counter, wiping the mirrors down, and just giving everything a very good dusting.
shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful.
I don't know if you guys can tell here on camera, but I don't know how I feel about this mop. This is my first time using it, but I am not really in love with it so far because it left like a haze. It was a little too wet for my liking, and no matter how many times I try to, you know, wring it out and get it as dry as possible, it's still feeling pretty wet. And I don't know if it's just my floors that they're pretty shiny and they don't need to have, you know, like a lot of wetness on them, or if I'm using this incorrectly, if it's the liquid I put in here, I don't know what it is. And this definitely isn't cutting it for me, at least not yet. So if you guys have one of these and I'm doing something wrong, please let me know because I am not loving it. I'm going to take this dry Swiffer cloth and just try to dry it up a little bit because it's just going to dry up very nasty. So I'm just going to do this and then check on the stuff that I put in the washer so I can put it back on the bed and see if the curtains are done or whatever. So let me do that.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
So I'm still waiting on the comforter to finish drying, and then also for the curtains so they can finish washing so I can throw them in the dryer. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found tons of cleaning motivation if you are looking to clean around your house for spring cleaning. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.